our lesson was about last time? Anybody tell me? Raise your hand. Zephyr? Smell, okay. So today we're going to talk about tastes. So if we already did smell, and now we're talking about taste, what are the others? There's 5. Joey? 5 senses. We already did smell, and today we're talking about taste.
Hear.
Okay. Lydia, what else? Okay, what are our senses? What are the other 2? What do we do with our eyes?
See.
Lydia? See, okay. And what else?
Eat.
Okay, our brain, we use our brain for all of them. What do we do with our hands? Owen?
Touch.
Touch. Okay, so those are our 5 senses. We have smell, taste, seeing, hearing, and touching. Today we're going to talk about taste. This book is called Tastes Good. What is this? Okay, so that tells us that our book is going to be
Real story.
a real story. What's that called if it's real? Nathan?
Non-fiction.
Non-fiction. Good job. Taste this. You have 5 senses that give you all kinds of information about what is going on around you. Our 5 senses are sight, touch, taste, smell, and hearing. This book is about taste. Your sense of taste tells you about the food you eat and drink. Everything you eat has its own taste. You remember what food tastes like if you have eaten it before. Have you tasted any of these foods? A lemon, apples, carrots, peppers? Your taste. You usually choose food because you like the taste of it. Not everyone likes the same tastes.
I like apple juice.
Okay. This page is called Stick Out Your Tongue. Your tongue is the part of your body you taste with. It is covered in tiny taste buds. Different parts of your tongue taste different flavors. This picture is showing us that the very front of our tongue tastes sweet and salty things. In the middle of it tastes sour things, and the back tastes bitter things.
Bitter things.
When you eat food, your tongue tells your brain what you're tasting. When food tastes sweet, such as honey, you may want to eat more.
I don't like honey. I've never even tried
Listen,
it.
find the flavor. Some food doesn't taste very strong. It doesn't have much flavor. You can add flavors such as salt and pepper to make your food taste better.
My bag.
Taste and smell. Smell and taste work together to help you enjoy your food. A delicious smell tells your brain that the food will taste good. When you have a cold and can't smell very well, your food doesn't taste as strong as usual. Have any of you been sick lately with your nose? Your nose is runny and your food doesn't taste very good?
I have an allergy problem.
You use your senses of smell and sight as well as your sense of taste to tell you what you are eating. Chew and swallow. When you are about to eat your favorite food, does your mouth water?
No.
The water in your mouth is called saliva. Sometimes the smell of food by itself makes your mouth water. Saliva makes your food easier to swallow. Saliva carries the taste of your food into your taste buds. Fresh and tasty. Fresh food looks and smells delicious. You want to eat it. A date on food wrapping helps you know when it is fresh. After that date, the food starts to go bad or stale and will not taste good. Raise your hand and tell me something that has a date on it, that you may check the date before you eat or drink it to see if it's still good. Tacoma?
Like
Meat? You have to check the date on it to make sure it's not old because it'll make you sick, huh? What else? One more thing. Asia? Milk? Good. Old and stale food doesn't look good. It smells horrible and it will taste horrible. You don't want to eat it. The look, smell, and taste warn you that this food is not fresh. Tasty colors. The color of food can help us to know know what it will taste like. How many blue foods can you think of? There's not very many, huh? Strange colored food makes you think it will taste strange too. New tastes. At the market, you can buy different food from all around the world. There are all kinds of flavors you may not have tasted before. Try them and you may like them. Okay, so now our 4 main tastes are salty, sweet, sour, and spicy. Can someone raise their hand? We're going to fill out our chart and tell me something that tastes salty. Raise your hand. Tristan?
Salt.
Salt? Okay. What's something that has a lot of salt on it though, so it tastes really salty? Salt water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not the salt water, I want to have a list too. The one in the ocean. That you.
Okay, what's one more thing that tastes salty? Zephyr? French fries? Like French fries at McDonald's, are those really salty?
Yeah.
They are.
So good. What?
Okay, what's something that tastes sweet? Malachi?
Apples.
Apples? Do apples taste sweet?
Yes.
Okay, what else? What about cake? Who said cake? Cake is very sweet. What is on top of cake?
Frosting.
Frosting or icing, and that is very sweet, huh? Okay, what is something that tastes sour? Raise your hand. Addison? Lemons. Okay, can you think of anything else?
Yes, sour tea.
Okay, I'm going to pick someone that's sitting very quiet and still. Brayden? Something that's sour. Think about a candy. Does anybody know what kind of candy?
Sour Patch.
Sour Patch?
Sour worms. Sour Patch Kids. Sour worms. Gummy bears that are sour.
Okay, listen. And
Sour
our last
gummy
thing is
bears.
spicy.